everyone, so I've just done the video on how to make the chair bows using the handmade templates. So what I thought I'd do now as well is, for those of you that don't like templates but still want to sort of make this kind of style of look, I thought I'd show you how to make it freehand in the 3-inch ribbon. And like I said, this is a version I've just done. As you can see, my ear loops are pretty good, but they are a teeny tiny fraction of a toucher. So like I said, just be careful when you are making them. Like I said, that's why I like the templates for this kind of thing, but you can still make them just as good yourself. Like I said, you just need to take a little bit more care than I did with that one. I didn't notice until I put my middle on though, so it will be okay for now. That one will go to my niece. So I have got 2 pieces of 3-inch ribbon. I've got this nice purpley rainbow dots, and I've got this nice like lilac-y purple here, and it is 2 times 16 inches, and I have heat sealed all of my edges like so. And what you want to do is triangle these up like so. Okay, and then we turn them so that they're this way, and like I said, you work out which colour you want on top. We're going to have the pattern on top. Okay, and the main thing on this, and the key thing on this, is we want these ear loops to say the same size. I want mine to be 2.5, so I'm just going to pin that there and there for a second. So we want the same this side. Like I said, put your ruler there, and as you can see, that's always already the right size. So again, I'm just going to pin here and pin here, and I'm just going to double check the lengths this point as well. Yep, 2.5. So like I said, the key point is, like I said, making sure 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. Like I said, and the same if you want to do longer ones, if you wanted to do 3. Like I said, as long as you make sure that the height, both sides, on both bits, is exactly the same and completely even, you'll be fine. And then what I like to do, so if you fold it in half, like so, as you can see, the tails are the same length, the ear loops are matching up, and what you can do at this point is, if you fold this in half and heat crease your centre, this is where our stitches are going to go. We want to do 8 stitches for 4 creases. You'll have to give me a second, just need to rethread my needle. Move these out of the way. There we go. And I'll show you the front and back before I put my stitches in, just so you can see. So this is the front of the bow, and this is what the back of your bow looks like. And like I said, this is super easy. It's also great for working out which way round you want to get your pattern. Make sure it's the right way up. And like I said, this is the easiest way I have learned on how to make 2-tone chair style bows. And we turn that over. Again, I'm just going to try and put that crease in just so it's a little bit more visible for me. There we go. And I always start from the corner, from above, right at that corner, going right through. So it's coming back up through the corner that side. And like I said, we want to do 8 stitches to do 4 creases. Just pull that through. So in 1, 2, 3 out, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't know how you can see that, but you can see the 3 stitches there. And on the back you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and that will give you your 4 creases. On your triangle, if you want to glue that instead of pinning that, that's entirely up to you, but like I said, it's personal preferences. And then I keep my guide clips on until I have cinched that together to get you 4. Wrap round however many times you prefer and stitch off. And there we go. I'm taking my pins out. So we can take all of our clips off now. And as you can see, our ear loops are even. Our tails are even. And we've got our nice two-tone look. So, like I said, you can do your tails however you want. Like I said, I'm going to do a little curve on this one rather than a triangle. So, like so, and like I said, as always, take this one, flip it over, sit that against the edge of this one, and use it as a guide to get the same level and angle as your other side. And always heat seal. When you're doing your heat seal, always stay in the clear bit or the blue bit of the flame, depending on what you can see. Obviously on camera it looks clear, but on this you want to be on the blue bit when you can see it in person. If you go in the orange, that's where you get like setting fire to your ribbon and like smoke, like grease like looking stains. Okay, that's all heat sealed for you. And then we can attach our ribbon. And again, like I said, this is how I like my chair bows, but I do know that different states and different competitions have different regulations. So if you make them on a regular basis, you will always know, so you can sort of adjust these to what you need to fit your regulations. Touch of glue here. Attach a bubble. Got matching 9mm. Heat seal that. Attach that there. And then wrap that round at least twice. Nice and tight. And again. Make sure you're going right over so you can't see the ribbon. So you can't see that layer underneath. You want to go directly on top. There we go. Get rid of that. Heat seal that end as well. Touch of glue there. And there we go. There is your super cute freehand chair bow. And again, like I said, this one I did with, that was 2.5 inch ears. Like I said, you can do 3 inch, you can do 3.5. Like I said, you can play with your length. your bows. Like I said, some people like them so that the tails and the ears are sort of identical heights, things like that. So like I said, work out what you need to do and what, like I said, your own regulations and things like that, and have a play. And if you need any more help or advice on anything at all, the links to my Facebook page and group will be below. If you have got any questions, you can always come and ask me and I will answer them as fast as I can. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will also link the version with the templates and how to make your own chair bow helper templates. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.